Did you ever imagine your childhood Pokemon cards could turn into one of the hottest crypto trades of the year? On Solana, that's exactly what's happening, and the market is absolutely exploding. Collector Crypt is taking graded physical Pokemon cards and transforming them into NFTs. Each digital collectible is tied directly to a real world card that's stored securely, and owners can redeem the physical version anytime. But here's the twist, it's built like a gacha machine. Instead of buying a card directly, you spend crypto for a chance to randomly draw an NFT card, just like opening a mystery booster pack. This is a big deal because it merges three worlds at once: collectibles, gaming, and blockchain. Collectors get the liquidity and flexibility of crypto trading, but the cards still hold real-world value. And thanks to Solana's lightning-fast speed and ultra-low fees, people can trade or redeem these cards instantly. The numbers already speak for themselves. A Mario Pikachu card sold for $11,300. A Poncho Pikachu went for $9,300. And within just a year, trading volume has already hit tens of millions. Collector Crypt even launched its own token, called Cards, to fuel the gacha system and run the marketplace. And the momentum hasn't slowed down. In August 2025, the Cards token pre-sale raised about $3.5 million from more than 700 participants. By late August, sales on the gacha platform had crossed $70 million. And in early September, the market cap skyrocketed from 23 million to 85 million before cooling down. Just recently, MEXC listed cards in its innovation zone thanks to overwhelming demand. This trend shows that NFTs are no longer just about digital art. They're expanding into real-world assets with tangible value. It also proves that Solana is becoming a serious hub for creative, high-volume use cases. But there's a note of caution here. Analysts warn that the card's token supply is tightly controlled by its creators, which means volatility risk is high. Tokenized Pokemon cards highlight just how quickly crypto is merging with real-world hobbies. And if this is what's happening now, what comes next could be even more surprising. We'll keep bringing you these daily updates, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay ahead of the curve.